Guys, so right now we are restoring the headlights. As you guys can see, half of this side I used chemical, guys. Headlight restore chemical, guys. If you guys can see, this side is still haven't been touched. It's clogging, and this side is all clear, actually back to normal. Just a little bit tint, but this is perfect. And once I do this and then I work on the other side, let me show you the other side. Now you can see a big difference. That little part is worked on, not that side, and that side is foggy. So as you guys can see, it definitely works. So chemical guys actually have good things. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm not using that. I'm using a rag, and I'm using a 2500 sandpaper. But what I'm gonna do is use this, do it on that side, do it on that side, and then get some sandpaper. Once I get all this cleared off to looking like that, then the next coat I would do a sandpaper where I have to go buy some another day, and then use it again, and then that way it be back to normal. But this looks good. So that looks good. But let me get back to it. So I already did this little section and it looks brand new. That side's still foggy. You see the difference? So that little area is done. That side haven't been touched yet. Still gotta do that side. All right, so you see the difference. This side's restored. This side is still not touched. Big difference. Big difference. It's still cloudy over there. And this one is actually nice and clear. It still needs to be worked on. Yeah. All right, guys, I restored the headlights and they look so much better. So the car is back to normal. I use this product right here, chemical, guys. This shit really works. Just with a towel. Just imagine if I had the sandpaper, which I'm gonna get a sandpaper and redo another coat whenever I get some time to go buy some. But for the time being, this looks good, and sandpaper will actually get it more clearer. So it does recommend that you use 2500 grit with wet. So then that's what I'll be doing next. I'm gonna restore the headlights back. I just want to show you guys how it looked. Way better. At first it was pure yellow, and now you can see there's a big difference. So that's something I just want to show you guys. If you guys try this, make sure you try this. This is not a sponsorship. Hey, chemical guys, send me a damn sponsorship, all right? But no, this is actually good. This is my first time using this product with restoring headlights, and looks damn good. So here you guys go.